What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.01448, up 3.5 on the day. Seeing market cap of 343 million. 24-hour volume 42 million. Let's hop to the chart. So we're testing the double bottom. We have a nice little double bottom with our 4-hour bullish divergence. So if we can break that, technical target is 0.015, and the resistance of the wedge is coming in about 0.016, 0.017. As I mentioned in the previous video, if we can start to break that falling wedge, then potential for a turnaround, and we could look for some trades. We'll have to see how that plays out. But breaking that double bottom will push up to the 4-hour 55 EMA, and that would be the start of a potential move to the upside. If we fail to do that, we roll over. Then our next targets are 0.0120 and the bottom of this wedge. Let me pop it over to the daily, which is coming in at about 0.010. See the support here, support right here. That would be your next level of support. So that's it for this little Gala Games update. I will give a signal if we enter a trade, and my signals are $10 a month. You spend that every single day, or grab a 14-day free trial. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders looking for an exchange, if you make a deposit of $50 or more for my subscribers only, you receive a 20% bonus in your futures account. If you deposit $100, you get $20 for absolutely free, and the 14-day free trial. Email me or sign up email. Otherwise, it's $10 a month for a daily analysis, my crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how all plays, as well as Forex signals and analysis. So we're trading crypto and Forex, all for $10 a month. Or you can grab that 14-day free trial. All links are down below in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.